Hi everyone, and welcome to the Optimum Life Path. Today, we're diving into one of the most important steps toward living your best life: goal setting. Think about this. Without a clear goal, life is like driving without a destination. You're just going in circles. But with the right approach, you can turn your dreams into achievable milestones and eventually, reality. Ready to learn how? Let's jump in.
Check one, check two, check.
First, let's talk about why goal setting is so powerful. Goals give you direction, motivation, and a way to measure your progress. Imagine you're climbing a mountain. Without a peak to aim for, how do you know where to go, or when you've succeeded? Goals act like that peak. They guide your steps and keep you moving forward. Now, let's break goal setting into 5 simple steps. SMART goals. This method makes your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Step 1. Be specific. Don't just say, I want to get healthy. Be clear, I want to lose 10 pounds by eating better and exercising. Specific goals hit the mark. Step 2. Make it measurable. You need to track your progress. Instead of, I want to save money, say, I'll save $500 in the next 2 months. Step 3. Keep it achievable. Dream big, but start small. Want to run a marathon? Start with a 5K. Break big goals into smaller steps. Step 4. Stay relevant. Your goals should align with your values and life priorities. Ask yourself, does this goal matter to me? Step 5. Time-bound. Deadlines create urgency and keep you accountable. Instead of, I'll write a book someday, say, I'll write a chapter a week for 3 months. Now let's talk about the mistakes people make when setting goals. Setting too many goals. Focus on 1 or 2 at a time to avoid overwhelm. Being vague. Remember, clear goals lead to clear results. Quitting too soon. It's okay to adjust your plan, but don't give up on the goal itself. Stick with it, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Let me share a quick example. Last year, I set a goal to read 12 books in 12 months. Here's how I applied SMART. Specific. Read 1 book per month. Measurable. Track my progress in a journal. Achievable. Choose books I'm excited about, not ones that feel like a chore. Relevant. It aligned with my goal of lifelong learning. Time-bound finish by December 31st. Guess what? I hit my goal, and I'm still building on that habit today. Now it's your turn. Pick one goal for yourself right now. Use the SMART method to write it down. Share your goal in the comments or tag me on social media with your progress. Remember, every big accomplishment starts with one small step. Your journey to success begins today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on your optimum life path. Together, we're building the tools to live healthier, wealthier, and happier lives. See you in the next video.